Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Mito store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging. It comes with 4 packs of hair, and in each pack is 21 locks. This is their 1B 36-inch faux locks, and let me show you how long it actually is. So, can you even see that? Can you even see that? Can you see that? Okay. Yeah, so very, very long. Comes, I don't know, I want to say it almost touches my knee. So yes, long, and this hair is about $46. The locks feel tight, so it feels like I'm gonna have to unravel it a little to put my braid in it, but we'll see. And I've already braided my hair, and I'll show you that clip. I braided my hair into individuals, and I used this Shine and Jam on my roots while I was braiding, and then on the rest of my braid and the end of my braids I use this Cream of Nature argan oil, and I have about 75 braids in my head. It looks like this. I'm just going to show you guys what I have so far. So I'm about halfway done. I'm 2 packs in. This is how long it's looking right now and how full it is. I'm going to show you an example of how I do it. So I take the braid that I'm working on, I grab the lock, I open it up like so. Oh, another thing I want to mention first is that this hair also comes with a crochet needle and some hair drawing. And these locks are a little hard, so they're not as soft as I thought they would be, and with that being said, they're also tighter. So when you are crocheting the lock onto your braid, if it's easier for you to do, you can unravel it at first, so just a little bit like that, just unravel it a little so that it becomes easier for you to pull your braid through it. But that's helpful when the braid is bigger, but this braid is smaller, so it's not going to be much of a problem. So I put the crochet hook through, I attach it to the loop on the lock, I pull it through. Now I'm going to pull the lock and the braid through together. And then I'm going to pull the lock and the braid to tighten it, but you don't want to do it too tight, just, you know, tight enough. Now I'm going to insert this braid into the lock. I'm just going to start midway down from the braid and work my way up. So the thinner or smaller your braid is, the easier it's going to be to put it through the lock. So then I just did that like so. Now I'm going to do it again, and I'm just going to start a little below where the braid is. So the braid ends right here, like that. I started down here, just so that when I pull it through, I make sure that the braid goes all the way through and inside the lock. So yes, I'm just pushing the crochet hook in the center of the lock. I am pushing it out where the lock is, where the braid is being shown. And then I'm attaching it towards the middle or end of the braid, and I'm pulling it through, and it should now be completely in the lock, like so. So I am finished. This is the final look. It is very long, very long. I have about 12 locks left, so I almost used all 4 packs. Let me show you an up close look. The locks don't feel that heavy. I thought they'd feel heavier, but still a lot of hair. Oh, and when you sit down, sometimes you sit on it. Oh, a lot of hair, a lot of hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.